So today I am doing a diagnosis on this dryer. What's going on is it's not heating. So it's running for the whole entire day. It's not getting the low dried. So what I'm doing now is removing this back panel, taking all these bolts. I believe I'm using a 1/4 inch socket, and I'm just getting these all off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this heater area and see what everything's looking like down there. There it is.
Why?
I got this bullshit again, this bullshit. So we got the heater cord taken off. Examine it. Let's see if there's anything. Let's see the one. Take apart this front side. So that I can get a good look at the back. And, the reason being is that everything's getting current. It's just that this side's not blowing heat. So let's see what's going on here. And just as I presumed, there's a breakage on the back side. Right there. So what I'm gonna do is get those together. By the assistance of the lovely Marisa. And I found the break in the coil. What I did was overlap them just a bit to where there's gonna be connection, and I burnt off part of the red tie to where the plastic won't melt or cause any smoke or anything like that. And I'm gonna cut this little piece off right here. All right, and I'm gonna reassemble all this. So going back in, I had a pop. So definitely don't want to go with bread tie. What I went with was a piece of metal that was on the end of the gutter stake that went in there. So it's pretty secured in now. Orange was here. Red was over here. Alright. There's nothing there. You give me my drill.
Where's my drill?
the whole situation. All right.